This looks like movie stunt work.
Yeah.
So this would be. Can you do this stuff?
I can, but I'm not going to do it outside.
Really, you can do all this? So this is like the world is your gym.
Kind of, yeah. It's like outdoor gymnastics.
Dun 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 dun. Wow, that's impressive. Woo! Okay, yeah. I haven't even done a somersault in about 20 years, 30 years. I don't know. Okay, all right, okay. Do it again. One more time.
Okay, so it looks like this.
Yeah. Okay. First move.
The first parkour roll.
Okay, so the first parkour roll. Okay, so it's, am I right?
Yep. Right. Nice.
And
action.
Okay.
Nice.
Right.
Speed vault.
Okay, here we go.
Let's do it.
We need music. Okay.
Yes! That was it. Perfect.
Woo!
All right, let's do it.
Here we go.
Yes, roll. 360. Perfect.
Action.
Yes, roll. 360. Nice.
Dun 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun dun.
And roll, and roll, and roll. So this is the precision jump.
Precision jump. Ready?
Yep.
Here it comes.
Nice.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, you can. Believe in yourself.
Okay. Ready?
Yes. Nice.